Hey everybody, and welcome back to our service shop. This is Cameron with Sewell Motorcoach, and I got a fun one for you guys today. So we're up on the roof of this 2017 Tiffin open road, and we're going to be installing some soft starts on these Two Coleman Mach AC units. Before we get started with any installs, safety first, front and rear AC breakers. Going to go ahead and turn those off real quick. Before we get too far along here, the two AC units that we have on this roof are Coleman Machs. So of course we got the Coleman Mach soft starts specifically for the 48,000, 45, and 47,000 series. We are 48,004. So first step to mounting our soft starts here, they actually provide this nice bracket that screws in with two screws on the side here, and then the soft start itself attaches, one with adhesive on the back side, and two, you've got four screws, two on top and two on the bottom, and that is quite secure to the AC unit itself. And of course our next step is going to be to remove our wire door and remove some of these zip ties holding on this wiring here. We've got one inside up top there as well. Also, we're going to remove this sealant here as well, just to get some better access to our wires. And also that sealant wasn't holding on very well. So first things first, we're going to identify our run and fan capacitors. So left-hand side here, I know that may be hard to see, is run capacitor. Right-hand side is fan capacitor. So we're going to take the white wire, which is this one here, off of our run capacitor, cut and strip the end of it, and then use a wire nut to attach it to our white wire coming off of our AC soft start. And there we go. White wires are connected. And we'll worry about wire management later on once we start to get more things ran and in place. Okay, so next step, we have one open slot on the left-hand side of our run capacitor. It is behind this black wire you see in the front. We're going to be taking our yellow wire coming from the soft start, running it through the sidewall into our wire box, and we'll be connecting that into our open slot on the left side of the run capacitor. Our next step here is just as easy. So on the right side of the run capacitor, you can see our open slots on the right hand side with the red wire. So we're going to be pulling the red wire from the soft start and plugging it to the same side of that capacitor as the original red wire. Last step here refers to for connecting the black wire, refer to the appropriate column. So it's going to ask you a little bit about what your AC unit has. Air conditioning with no high pressure switch relay, heat pump with a freeze board, or AC or heat pump with a high pressure switch relay. So the one that we have, this is our diagram off of the wiring box. Identifying which one you have is as easy as rolling through the next page and matching up your diagrams. Our diagram matches this one here, which is going to go in line with the heat pump with freeze board, no high pressure switch relay. So our option told us to cut the black wire, strip both ends, remove the terminal from the soft start, and connect all three. Find the black wire on the freeze board itself, remove it. We stripped one end of the black wire, cut and stripped both ends of it, and then connected that to the black wire coming from our soft start, essentially tying the soft start wire in place. And then we're just going to attach that terminal back where it was beforehand, and now everything is tied together. So to sort of simplify what we just talked about there, first steps is to remove the white wire, attach it to the white from the soft start, and tie it together. Next step is going to be to put the yellow wire from the soft start in place of the white wire. You can see it way back in there. The next step would be to take our red wire from the soft start and attach it to the same side as the factory red on the run capacitor. And then finally, we took the black wire off of the freeze board made 2 ends off of that one wire and tied in our black from the soft start, and essentially wire tied all 3 together. Final steps are going to be to wire tie this, clean it up, reinstall the sealant and the door for our wire box, and we will be completed. Oh, also, the sealant that was originally over top of these wires is actually just a butyl tape that they want you to squish around that hole. All right, so we just turned the fan and the compressor on here just to give it a quick test run, make sure everything was working. Fan started up, compressor slowly started to kick on, and we are active. Put our wire box cover door back on, and now we have to take our AC shroud and put it back over top. That was a pretty quick and easy install. This was actually something that our customer opted for as an extra on their coach. So we do have to charge them for parts and labor. If there's any additionals that you may be considering as an option for your coach, just like these soft starts here, that's always something you can call and discuss with us. We'd be more than happy to chat with you about it. But that pretty much concludes this video for me today, guys. We're gonna start trying to do some more service videos down here in the shop for you guys. I know you guys love them, but if you guys could give us a like and a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, we'd much appreciate it. I'll catch you all in the next one.